Hey team, Chef Eric Gephart here. Hope you're doing well. Today I want to do a really fun grilled pineapple quarry Arctic salmon. It's about to get real. We've got our Kamado Joe Classic 2 stabilizing, climbing at about 400 to 425. So about our pineapple or our plank. When you're at the grocery store, a great way to see if your pineapple is ripe and ready to go is to grab one of these fronds, I guess we could call it. And if you can pull it out easily, it's ripe. If you're sitting there yanking on it, no matter what the exterior color is, because they can be brown and still not be ripe. So just pull on one of these guys. If it comes out with ease, you're ready to go. If it comes out way too easy, maybe look at a different one. You want just a little bit of a tug. We'll do that one more time for you. That's what I want to see. And we know we've got a great ripe pineapple. So let's go ahead and fabricate this baby. And I'm thinking we're going to start here in the middle. We could start here, but I want to get two planks here. So I'm going to start right in the middle with a sharp knife. And then we're just going to cut right down the center, trying to stay as flat as possible. Oh, and this is looking cool already.
Beauty.
Yeah. And then let's stand it up again. And we don't want to go too thin. Remember, this is a plank. So I'm looking at about, I don't know, Nathan, what is that, 3/4 of an inch, you think? And look at that. Instead of using a cedar plank, we've got this gorgeous pineapple plank that's going to impart a lot of flavor. All right, check it out. We're at 400 or just slightly above. That's 400 Fahrenheit. For those of you watching elsewhere in the world, we're at about 225 Celsius. And we've just got our standard grill grates in. Now, we could just put this straight on, but instead of doing that, let's go ahead and give this pineapple a little seasoning. Today, I've chosen a Lane's Barbecue Sweet Heat. I think that's gonna go perfectly on this pineapple. So a little bit on both sides. And look at that, we're winning already. Doesn't that look delicious? So now I'm thinking, all right, whenever I'm doing a plank, I always grill the plank. I soak the plank and then I grill it and I flip the plank and then I put the salmon on top of that. So I'm gonna do the same thing. My presentation side for the pineapple is gonna go down first.
Smells amazing.
Yeah, we're already winning. And I could even drop that grill grate down if we wanted to. We've got this gorgeous tailpiece here of Quarry Arctic salmon. I've chosen a tailpiece because I like the thinness of this, okay? It tapers just a little bit. Let's go ahead and give it a little of that Sweet Heat seasoning. And then we're just gonna put a dab of oil. And now we're gonna lay this presentation side down, do a drag test. If it doesn't stick, you're good to put it on the grill. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and season up that side. Now I can't help myself. Let's take a sneak peek at this pineapple. Little longer to go. In fact, we could probably drop this down, like I said, but let's take our time with it. I'm gonna close this dome now. Let's go ahead and make the glaze real quick. And the glaze can be whatever you want it to be. If you've got a pre-made teriyaki or you wanna make your own teriyaki, I tend to go Asian with it. We're gonna go brown sugar, miso. You can get this at your local grocery store or Asian market. Let's go for about 2 tablespoons today. A little bit of honey. The brown sugar is gonna bring a different sweet profile than the honey, right? There's almost a little molassesy flavor to there, and the honey brings a little floral note. So we're making a well-rounded glaze here. Then I'm gonna go in with some soy sauce. If you've got tamari, you can use that. Right on top there. Now, sake by itself is a fun ingredient, but once you cook it, it changes completely. So I want to bring that little acidic kind of alcohol-y note to it. Think about you cooking with red wine in a braise. It's completely different than drinking it, but it brings a really nice acidity, and it's going to complement everything really well. All right, let's take a look. Notice how that salmon's starting to curl up a little bit. Perfect. It's starting to soften up, which is really nice. We're just gonna take our salmon here. Oh yeah.
Come on.
Come on, man. Look at that, look at that. And then I am gonna actually lower the grill grate so that we can get a little closer to our flame. And I just wanna get it right over it. Now we're gonna cruise on with that little bit of that miso sake that we made. We could put a little ginger in here too if we wanted. Oh yeah, do your thing. I mean, how easy is this?
Is that quick?
Yeah, it was that quick. And take another, come here, look at this again. Look how stunning this is. Now we're gonna shut this and capture some of that natural lump charcoal essence, so it's gonna have that grill kissed flavor. Oh yeah.
Dang, just like that?
Yeah, that's it. Little tuxedo sesame seeds, black and white there. Food's always better with sound effects. I'll give that to you again. Stunner. Let's go ahead and give it a bite. That is the perfect medium bite. That's so fun. Definitely get pineapple on that. The miso sake is prevalent, but the salmon just boom. It's just so fun when you grill this kind of salmon. This quarry salmon, the omega-3s and the fat, everything just interacts with the flame, and it makes your brain happy. You know what I mean? Not your taste buds, your stomach, your soul, all that stuff, but it just feels like you're feeding your brain, like it's just saying thank you.